Hey, lovely people, Couponer Crystal here with another Walmart Ibotta Haul, guys. I've got quite a few rebates to share with you today. Hopefully, it will help you complete your midweek money maker. I have to do 15 rebates in order to earn $5, and I created a printable for you guys to help you with your Ibotta money tracking. And I want to show you guys a way I used up some of these Ibotta snacks. So stay tuned. All right, guys, let's jump into the video. The first rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Shea Moisture body wash. These were priced $7.97 in my Walmart for a total of $15.94, guys. Now, there is a $5 Shea Moisture coupon that I used in store. That dropped my cost to $10.94 in store. There is $2 Ibotta rebates coming back for each one, making the cost drop even lower. Now, this is the thing. There is Shopkick also available for this body wash, but I'm not going to get the bonus points. I'm going to get the Shopkick kicks because I scanned in store, all right? So I'm going to get 530 kicks back for purchasing these two, which is the equivalent of $2.12. Unfortunately, I will not get the 800 point bonus for purchasing the two because this is all my store had. This is all I can seem to find. So I was just like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and get it. But if you're trying to get the bonus points, I need you guys to make sure that you purchase one of these and then turn around, purchase one of the other ones. I will pop up a picture so you guys can see, okay? You've got to do that in order to get the bonus kicks, okay? But even with me not getting the bonus, I think it's a good deal because I like Shea Moisture body wash, all right? So I got the $2 back for the two, each one, for a total of $4 back from Ibotta. That's great. And the $2.12 back from Shopkick, making the final cost $4.82 for the two Shea Moisture body washes. I like Shea Moisture. All right, guys, the next rebate I decided to get was on the Palmer's, okay? This is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula, all right? It is a moisture boost. This product was found in the natural hair section, the natural hair products, like Carol's Daughter and things of that nature. That's where this was found, all right? This was priced $3.88 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.88 in store. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.88 for the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost. Okay. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Ken's salad dressing. The Ken's was priced $2.48 in my Walmart. I did have a coupon and I used out of the 3-7 Smart Source. It was for 75 cents. Dropping my cost in store to $1.73. There is a 65 cents Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost $1.08 for the Ken's salad dressing. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Annie's box macaroni, but this is actually a penne for cheese. I'm calling it box macaroni because that's kind of what it is, okay? These were $1 each for a total of $2 for the two. I did have a 50 cents off of two coupons.com coupon that I used, dropping my cost in store to $1.50. Now there's 20 cents coming back from Ibotta, giving me back 40 cents, dropping the cost to $1.10 for the two boxes of Annie's pasta. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Lola. These are a super tampons, all right? These were a 8 count, okay? These were priced $2.98 in my Walmart. Did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.98 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.98 for the Lola. Little box of tampons. Okay, it's 8 in here. Now, what's great about these, they're made with 100% organic cotton, okay? Next rebate I decided to do was on the Lola liners. All right, this is a ultra thin liner. They were priced $2.98 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $2.98 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.98 for the Lola liners. Yeah. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Gillette Clear Gel. This was in the trial and travel section, and it was priced $1.97. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.97 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate that is attaching to this product, making the final cost 97 cents for the Gillette trial size deodorant found in the trial size section. Okay. Next rebate, guys, I decided to do was on the Degree Men's. This is the dry spray. It was priced $4.97 in my Walmart. I did use that $2 insert coupon out of the Unilever. All right, dropping my cost in store to $2.97 is what I paid. Now there is a $1.25 Ibotta rebate coming back, and there is some shop kicks that you can get. Okay, you're gonna scan in store to get you some kicks. Plus, if you purchase it along with the other Degree deodorant, there are some bonus kicks. All right, so after the kicks in store, the uploading the receipt kicks, and the bonus kicks, the final cost for the dry spray Degree Men's is going to be free 8-cent moneymaker. I think that's a great deal. Next rebate I decided to do was on the women's. Okay, exact same price, actually. $4.97. Used a $2 coupon for the ladies, dropping the cost in sort of $2.97. Got back $1.25 from Ibotta, and all those shop kicks, making the final cost free 8-cent moneymaker. I think that's a great deal. Great deal. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Degree Men Max Recovery Massage Bar. These were priced $2.97 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $2.97 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the cost be $1.97 after the Ibotta rebate. But there is also some shop kick points that you can get if you upload the receipt and you scan in store. It'll be a total of 48 cents coming back, making the final cost for the Degree Massage Bar $1.49. Not too bad. Decided to get the ladies as well. They have a ladies version because it says Degree Max Recovery, so I just say this like the lady version, okay? This one was priced also $2.97. Didn't have a coupon, paid $2.97 in store. That $1 Ibotta rebate plus those shop kicks for scanning in store and uploading the receipt, making the final cost. For purchasing 2 bars, I got 500 points, making final cost 49 cents for each one. Bonus points. Next rebate, guys, was on the M&Ms. The M&Ms were priced 88 cents in my Walmart. You must purchase 2 for this rebate. The total of the 2 packs was $1.76. I got 50-cent Ibotta rebate back for purchasing the 2, making the final cost $1.26 for the 2 packs of peanut M&Ms. These were by the register, you know, just that little small size. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the Kill Cliff energy drink. They keep giving me this back for the same value, so I'm going to keep on getting it, okay? $2.78 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.78 in store. But the great thing about it is there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 78 cents. This is the Kill Cliff Energize. Yeah, all right, Energize. And they got another one. The next one is the Kill Cliff Ignite. Same price, $2.78, no coupon, so I had to pay $2.78 in store, but there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 78 cents for the Kill Cliff Ignite energy drink. Next rebate, guys, was on the Snickers. Snickers. Had to get the Snickers. The Snickers was only 88 cents in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon. Had to pay 88 cents in store. But there is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 63 cents for the Snickers. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Renews It Oil Starter Kit, $2.97 in my Walmart. And then I used a $1 coupon from the 321 Save insert, dropping the cost in store to $1.97. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost 97 cents. I love this rebate. I just put them in my cleaning closet. Next rebate I did, guys, was on these Simple Kind to Skin wipes. Now, this is a great deal. It's $4.46 in my Walmart for a total of $8.92 for the two. In order to use the coupon, there is a buy one, get one free coupon for the wipes that was in the Unilever insert. So if you're going to use that buy one, get one free coupon, you must purchase the two, okay? Great deal. After the coupon, it'll be $4.46. It's what you will pay in store. You will get back a $1 Ibotta rebate for each one, giving you back a total of $2 from Ibotta, making the final cost $2.46 for the two. I think that's a great deal. Let's talk about the numbers. I did 2 transactions in store, all right? I had 2 $5 shop kit gift cards that I told you guys I kept forgetting to use. So I separated my products into 2 transactions for a grand total of $68.20. Whoa, pricey. All right, I had $15.71 in coupons to use in store, dropping my cost to $52.49. I used 2 $5 shop kit gift cards taken off $10, making the cost even lower to $42.49. Yeah, so that's what I actually had to pay in store, but I got back from Ibotta $20.55 in rebates, guys. Plus, I got $7 in bonuses. I got $5 for my midweek moneymaker for completing 15 rebates, and I got back $2 for completing my March level 3 bonus for completing 40 rebates. Then from ShopKick, I got back 2,050 kicks, which is the equivalent of $8.20, dropping my final cost to $6.74 or 37 cents each for 18 items. That's a great deal. Now, let's talk about the printable. What I did, guys, I decided to make you all a printable. The printable is a Ibotta money log. I set it up just like a checkbook register, guys. The great thing about the Ibotta money log is it's going to allow you guys to keep track of your Ibotta money. I set it up just like a checkbook register, okay? So it's got the date, it's got the description. All right, you're going to put the deposit or what your balance is starting out. Whenever you make a purchase, it's going to be a withdrawal. Then you're going to do your ending balance. You can always keep a running total. That's going to be great. Then you put the date, the description, you can put the store, you can put Walmart haul, you can put CVS, whatever you want to do, guys. Because of course, my Ibotta money always goes to my PayPal card, and I use my PayPal debit card in store for all my coupon purchases. So I think it's going to be super fun for us to be able to follow this, guys, and then see where our Ibotta money is going, okay? Because y'all know that's what I use exclusively to coupon with, and I just roll it over into more Ibotta deals. So I hope this is going to be helpful for you. Let me know in the comments below. And of course, you always still have that Google document, okay? Always doing the Google document so you can see the deals. That's going to be in the description box along with this. And don't forget to get your coupon budget printable, okay? Free, okay? Now, what I decided to do this past weekend, this past Friday, that's why I didn't do any Publix or Harris Teeter shopping, guys, because I did a movie night with my daughters, all right, which was super fun. Amber, Amity, and India, we all did a movie girls night theme. I sent them a text message of the invitation, inviting them to the girls night movie night. Okay, so it was super fun. We had a ball. We actually watched a Jamie Foxx movie. I will pop it up. That was a really good movie. I've never seen it before. We really did enjoy it. All right, but I used my Ibotta snacks, guys, and that was super fun. I was able to get some products from the Dollar Tree, so I'll let you guys see it. All right, lovely people, so this is what we've got. Some of these treats were purchased through Ibotta. So we've got the Fruitella gummies. This was an Ibotta rebate. And we've got the Fannie Mae S'mores snack mix, which I told you guys was absolutely delicious. And the M&Ms are an Ibotta rebate. And the Snickers are an Ibotta rebate. And actually, this is an Ibotta rebate as well. The little drinks are an Ibotta rebate. And the Laughing Cow is a new Ibotta rebate. These were an Ibotta rebate. You know, these were the Ritz crackers. That was an Ibotta rebate, guys. So hopefully this will give you guys an idea of how you could do a movie night or ladies night or family night or some type of theme night. These little things I got from the Dollar Tree. These were Dollar Tree trays. I got these from Party City. I got these from the Dollar Tree, and I just bought a Cricut, and I was supposed to put their names on it, but I haven't done that and didn't have time, so I'm a little mad about that. So I'm gonna have to put their names on those. So each person has their own tray. And then we got these. I got these from Party City as well, and they can put their snacks in there. Okay. Here's some more snacks. All right, so what did you guys think? Hopefully it will give you some ideas on a way that you can use all these great Ibotta snacks that we're using. Some of you guys are still, you know, working from home, and it's kind of boring because we're still, you know, slightly quarantining. So I think it's a great idea for you to be able to do a movie night. You could do a movie night with your kids, movie night with your girls, movie night with your husband, whoever. Lovely people, let me know in the comments below what you think about the useful way I used my Ibotta snacks, my girls' night, movie night. Yeah, because we are always around each other. We've been around each other this whole entire pandemic, okay? So we didn't invite anybody, you know, that we haven't normally had in our circle. And I just wanted to spend time with my girls, okay? So that's it, guys. Remember, clip to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.